In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks on Trello. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or just starting out, assigning tasks effectively is a crucial part of managing your projects. It's all about ensuring that everyone knows what they need to do and when they need to do it, so let's dive in and see how we can make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, to get started, you'll want to log in to your Trello account. You can do this by navigating to the Trello website and clicking on the Login button. It's a straightforward step but crucial for accessing your boards and getting started on assigning those important tasks. Next, if you've previously linked your Trello account with a Google account, go ahead and click on the Google option. You'll then be prompted to select your specific Google account from the list provided. This is a handy way to log in quickly without having to remember another password, streamlining your workflow from the get-go. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. From here, navigate to the specific card on your board where you intend to assign a task. You can do this by visually scanning or using the search function for quick access. Clicking on the card will bring up more detailed information and options about that particular task. Now, to begin assigning the task, look for the Members option on the card. Clicking on it will reveal a list of people who are part of your Trello board. This step is where the magic happens. You can see who's involved in the project and make collaborative decisions on task allocation. Find the person you wish to assign the task to and simply click on their name. This action will add them as a member to that particular card. It's as easy as that. And while you're at it, to keep a vigilant eye on the progress of this task, you can add the card to your personal watch list. This can be easily done by pressing S on your keyboard while the card is open. This little shortcut ensures you're always updated with any changes or developments on the task. You'll receive notifications each time the card is updated, helping you stay in the loop without needing to constantly check manually. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your Trello tasks efficiently. Remember, the key to successful task management is clear communication and responsibility. By assigning tasks effectively, you're setting up your team for success, ensuring everyone knows precisely what their role is. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy task assigning on Trello.